afternoon, everyone. The Chair Support about public result data initiative. Last year. Now, this initiative comes at an opportune time as we gear up to invest in sustainable development. As a community, we're poised to invest millions of dollars in gathering data on results to improve project efficiency. But are these investments really paying off? And what should be for the purposes of RDF, we founded our research centers in Ghana, Paige, and Sri Lanka, focusing on health and agriculture output. For this year-long program, we looked at the issue of results from two angles. Qualitatively, bottom up, with local governments. Quantitative, the top down, looking at output published by major developers. See how it be compared, shared. Now, qualitatively, our findings can be broken down into 5. The first of which has to do with data. Now, unsurprisingly, respondents reported that resource constraints, limited staff time, travel budgets, and technology were often the largest in collecting. But more to the point, when we were in country, we observed that there's like not available data for the individual. You see a serious need to prioritize the way the development community has to look. Secondly, perspectives of data quality. Most people view resource constraint, inaccurate or missing data, poor collection or validation skills. But in further conversations, we found that the biggest issue was a broken link between data collectors and data. Data collectors were often not clear what the intended purposes of the data were, which creates a lack of ownership and incentive. While data users, such as agencies or senior officials, don't provide feedback on why this data is important. Thirdly, we found a growing desire for access to relevant data, and would argue that there's a responsibility on the international community to think harder about how relevant data can be proactively shared with the right people at the local level. Fourth, we did find a set of respondents, particularly in Sri Lanka, who are actively using results data to catalyze positive change. But these examples are few, and ultimately it comes down to incentive. Structurally, there's little motivation in the form of rewards or recognition of promotion to use data to achieve results. And this is an area where, as an international community, we might be poised to make the biggest impact by shifting this paradigm. And finally, with regards to using data for planning and resource allocation, budgets and results indicators very seldom correlate, which is nothing new. But perhaps the deeper issue is that the perceived value of a results indicator to an individual depends on their ability to do something as a result of that data. Often, development program budgets are so limited that a local manager cannot do anything differently based on a results trend. And that's the missing piece for most people we talk to, especially government officials. Now, these 4 key recommendations present just a small selection of the many we outlined in our country reports, all available online. But hopefully they'll spur discussions about how we can best elevate the role of results data in development activities. Now, from a quantitative perspective, our study leveraged some of the newest data science to ascertain whether we can get a look at our collective results across organizations, a view we feel is valuable as we seek to invest efficiency and effectiveness. We tackled this challenge by researching largest development agencies, again focusing on our 3 countries, our 2 priority sectors, creating project lists and scraping output information from results data documents by hand, and clustering major themes by sector. Importantly, from this work, we found that data can be linked and aggregated across agencies using existing internal agency reporting formats. In the process, we've noted several strategies that can make the linking of this information more accurate, presented, and informative, as evidenced in our scorecard, which highlights 5 priority areas for results reporting. And my colleagues Danny and Catherine will be around after this session answering questions. So to get back to our initial quantitative premise, our goal was to see if we could take a look at macro level results. We found there was no need for standardization across donors, and if development partners can further improve upon internally defined templates, we can use our scraping methodology, crosswalk and visual